image of that. So you can see that there is a high level of charge, there is a low level of charge. If we connect them, the water from here comes down here and it will move, and their level of water will be equal. Okay, both container will contain the level of water equal. In this way, the charge works. Okay. Now we have to come to the. Now we have written about the voltage, and you need to write about the current. Okay. You just write down the definition. One second. When you're done, then the same you can have a snapshot also with mobile or with laptops. Okay. The second thing is current. Current is the rate at which charge flows. Okay. Flows are flowing. Is the rate at which charge flowing. Okay, so the rate at which charge flows full current. Okay, so how can you understand that? Okay. So for understanding of that, let's see this diagram. Okay, so the how much charge means how much amount of the velocity of charge, how much speed is going. Okay, so the speed of traveling charge is known as current. Okay, the speed of traveling charge is known as current. Okay, so let us understand with the help of a diagram. Okay, and we have a register also. Okay, so you can see this thing like a speed breaker. What is doing that is slow downing the speed of and the velocity of charge. It is slow downing the current. Okay, it's slow downing the rate of flow of charge. That's why we call resistance. So that's why we put the resistance between our LED and the current flowing through it. Okay, so we can understand with the help of an example, and we will going to back to a printer circuit, and we'll start doing that. Okay, so first what we need is we need an breadboard. Okay, so I told you what is a breadboard looks like. Okay, so okay. So okay. Here is our breadboard. Okay, and we will take what we'll add, and we need an battery. Okay, this is the same battery we used in our cell. Okay, the cell we use in our remotes. Okay, in any sort of device. So so now what we will do is, you can see this is a positive terminal, it has a negative terminal. Okay, so what this positive and negative terminals looks like. Okay, if you see inside the picture, so this is a positive terminal which full of positive charge. Okay, and this is a negative terminal which is full of negative charge. What a negative charge wants? A negative charge wants to flow back to the positive charge. Okay, in this way, when the negative charge flow back to the positive charge, the circuit is completed. Okay, so so this is our battery. Okay, okay, so it starts from the positive charge. Okay, and if we connect a wire through it, it come back to the negative charge. In this way the charge flows. Okay, what we'll do is we'll just use this breadboard to flow the charge. Okay, what we'll do is, this is a positive. Okay, so we'll take an wire. Okay, and connect. Okay. So what I will do is I will change the color of wire. Okay, so red means flowing of charge. Okay, so you can see that there is a positive flow of charge. Okay, so from here it's going to a positive flow. Okay, and we need to connect a negative terminal also. Okay, so just need to connect the negative terminal. And what I will do is I will make it a black color, so you can a good picture of it, black color. Okay. Now what we will do is we will apply resistance. Okay. So what is the resistance? Resistance means the okay. So we need to give the definition of resistance, resistor also, and resistance also. So resistor and resistance are two different things. Okay. So first we talk about the resistance, then we talk about resistor. Definition of resistance. Okay, you need to note down everything because there is next week you have a test. Okay, and I'm going to ask each and everything. You need to note down. Okay. Guys, don't come and go. Okay, just stick here. Okay. So, okay, so resistance is material which have a tendency. Okay. And the closed charge means current. You can write in the bracket current. So write it down, and I have an image for this also. Okay. So okay, and you I'm giving you 1 minute to write it down everything. Okay. Resistance, right, definition of resistance. Right, electrical door. Okay. So we have seen the resistance and we have seen the resistor. Okay. So this definition, resistor is a two-terminal electric device that used to reduce current flow. Okay, so we reduce the current flow. Okay. So you can imagine like this. Okay, so we have a image for that also. So okay. So here is the voltage that pushing the current. Okay, and here is the resistance, which is not allowing the current to flow easily. Okay, so you can understand resistor and resistance as this. Okay, so it's not allowing the current to flow through it. Okay. Guys, please stick in class. Okay, don't just go and come back again. So okay, kids. So this is your third definition. Write it down fast. Okay, and then we are going to see it over the survey. And remember, we have a test on the next Thursday. Okay, so we have a test. Okay, okay. Good class. You guys are quite smart. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, note it down, and when you have done, just message me. Okay. Got it, got it. Okay, okay. Now we are going to. The class is very nice class. Okay, so what we have done, we have a we have connected it to a positive terminal, and we have connected it point to negative, positive to the negative terminal. Okay, the charge started from here. Okay, and it is here. Okay, so still now the charge is not connected. The batteries two are not connected. Okay, we need to connect. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So what we're doing is we are connecting positive terminal. Okay, so because that charge is flowing through here, and we it's it's it stops. It literally a small amount of current through it. Okay, so it reduces the speed of current. Okay, when the current is reduced, and we can apply LED to it. So do we an LED? Okay. So this is a positive, and this is a negative. You need to connect this with a positive. So what we'll do is we connect it. We will take the LED. Okay, hook it onto the circuit. What we'll do is we'll connect it somewhere here. So you see that these this whole row is connected. This whole column is connected with it. So this is connected terminal, and this positive terminal connected with the resistance, and resistance connected with LED. Okay, so the charge flowing from here. Okay, it goes into the resistor, and we take the negative terminal from here, and we connect it here. Okay, so okay, so it's black. Okay. So current is flowing from here. Okay, so from here, it reduces the speed, and it's back to the light. Okay, it's back to the, and from that LED, it's going back to this circuit. Okay, and from there it's going back to the battery and terminal. Okay, so now what's happening? Okay, so in this way you can circuit works. Okay, so it has the negative terminal, and in this way it works. Okay, let's see. So we have made, I have already made a circuit for that. Okay, so let's need. So this is a push button. Okay, what this push button did is when we click it. Okay, when we click it, so it completes the circuit. How it completes the circuit? Okay. Sharing my windows. I started. Okay, 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 okay. So you have seen the. Okay, so you have not seen that, no? Okay, 1 second. I'll share it once more. Share the entire screen. Okay. So what is happening? Current is start traveling from here. Okay, it goes in the breadboard. Okay, so this is connected. The breadboard, this whole row is connected. From there, it goes to the register. Okay, register, what register do? Register, there is some network issue. That's why goes in the resistance. So I'm just coming in a second. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Okay, so I'm back, guys. There is a power shortage. Yeah, I'm muted. Okay, so we are introducing the button. Okay, so what we are doing is we're applying in this circuit a button. What we're doing is applying this button. Okay, how this button works, I will show you in the screen. Okay, so we have this. I'll go to the screen. So we'll have this. Here this. Okay. We have this whiteboard. Okay, so here to view. Okay. So how this button looks like? Okay, it looks like something like this. Okay. So it has a wire here and a wire here and a button here, this side and this place. And it is a button here. So what happened is below this button there is a wire. Okay, so when we push that wire, these two wires get connected, and in the same time these other two wires also get connected. Okay, so what we need to do is we just connect this wire with our LED. Okay, so when we connect this wire with our LED and we connect here with positive terminal, okay, we connect to the battery. So when we push this button, only that time our LED will be on. Okay, so let's see in the real circuit. Okay, so my drawing is not that good. So, so what I'll do is I will just put it. Okay, so you need to put here, okay, somewhere. So what we have done, we put it in between. Okay, so now what we have to do is we need to take the ground from here. Okay, so resistance from there, and we need to put it here somewhere. Okay, so this line, as we know, this line is connected. Okay, so we have connected this line, and from there we have this one, and we need to connect the LED from here. Okay, so take the LED. Okay, and we connected here. So anyone else? Okay, okay. So okay, and from here, what we'll do is we'll connect the ground. So we'll make it a black. So just delete this one. So our circuit is completed. Okay. When I run this circuit, I simulate this circuit. Okay, it doesn't require any code and anything. So what we'll do is start simulating. Okay, so when I press this, okay, the LED is glowing. Okay, till the time I'm pressing this, LED is glowing. When I stop pressing it, LED make it himself off. Okay, so this is how a push button works. So what we are doing is we are using this push button in our LEDs. Okay, so we're using this push button with our Arduino. Okay, so you know three things. You know about breadboard. You know about register. Okay, you know about LEDs. Okay, you know about push button and with this Arduino. So you have completed 5 topics. Okay, got it. And I will ask questions on these 5 topics. Remember the topics: LEDs, resistors, resistance, resistors. Okay, current, voltage. Okay, breadboard, battery, and Arduino. Got it? Okay. So, so I stop it, and I will. What I will do is, okay, let's go to the previous circuit. I need to move. I have made a circuit for that. Not that much time. Make the circuit again. Okay. I have a circuit. Okay. Any doubt till now? Hello. You can type message if you have any doubt till now. Okay. No one has doubt. Very good. Say yes or no either. It's no doubt, sir. Okay, very good. So, sir, ooh, please show once again. Okay, I will showing you in this circuit. Okay, with Audi. The place of battery we put Arduino this time. Okay. So okay, so everyone is clear with it. Okay, nice, nice. Okay. So okay, so just change this color also so this is the green of this channel. You have the green, and you have red. Okay. We connected this positive, and this one is also we have this black. Saving time, I have made this circuit by my own before the class. Okay. So, okay. So you know about Arduino is okay. So what we have did in the circuit is we have connected 5 volt. Okay, with the one row of breadboard. Okay, and we have connected ground with another row of breadboard. Okay, you got the circuit. You know we have done previously. Okay. Then from there we have connected a number 4 LED, number 4 pin with an LED positive terminal, and from that back to the ground. Okay, so you can put a resistance in between if you want. I have already put a resistance because it is a virtual circuit. It will not blow up. We can glow LED without resistance also, but it might be damaged. Okay, in real life, not in Tinkercad. Okay. After that, I have a push button. I've connected push button one terminal with 5 volt, okay, and second terminal with a distance to the ground. Okay, so this is called pull down resistance. Okay, why we do it? Okay, so why we do it means I will show you in drawing. Okay, so here are drawing. Okay, clear this one. Clear the drawing. Okay. So what's happened is current has a tendency to flow. Okay, so suppose you are current, okay, and you are traveling with a bike. Okay, so what will do? You will take this road, and this is the destination. The destination, and this is a path. Okay, and it has speed breakers. You all know about the speed breakers, no? Okay, so suppose you are going with your car. Okay, you have a car, and you're going there. And here also. Okay, so let me take only one car. So which path do you follow? Do you follow the speed breaker path or do you follow just a simple road path? Hello, guys, answer me. Hello. You can type. You have a car and you need to go to this destination, and you have two paths. One road, the speed breaker, and second road without a speed breaker. Simple road. Okay. In the same way, current also follows. Okay. So current, whenever he see a resistance path, if it doesn't follow the resistance path, it goes to another simple path. Okay. So if I don't use this path, okay, so what it will do, it will, if I don't use this resistance, okay, so what will do, it will come from here, 5 volt come from here, and it will go directly here, okay. So we don't get a voltage or this time, okay. This time what we are doing is we are using digital pin as an input. Okay. So we are using digital pins as an input. Okay. For this purpose, we are using digital pin as an input. So what we are doing in this program, we want our Arduino to work like previous circuit. What we do in previous circuit, we push the button and the LED on. We push off, we remove our hand from the button, LED turns off. Okay. In the same way, we are want to do that. Okay. For the same purpose, we are using Arduino in place of battery. Okay, for that purpose we need an input and an output. Input means if this Arduino will sense, okay, at Arduino sense if this 11 pin is sending me a current, okay, if the 11 pin is sending me a current, then I will send a current to pin number 4 and this LED will be glowing. Okay, okay, I got it. I got it. You all know, you don't need to write it. 4 5 answers are enough. Okay, so now what we are doing is we are just having a two paths for the current. Okay, so path one, current comes here, goes here. Okay, that goes down to the Arduino, or and the second path is it's coming here and it's going down towards the second path which have a resistance. Okay, so now the current has two roads, a simple one and a tough one. So what this current do? Current go with the simple one. Okay. Okay. So if I just remove this resistance and connect this directly to the ground, okay, so this path will be with resistance and this path will not be resistance. So it will go direct to the ground terminal and our circuit will not work. So we need to connect this pull down resistor. We call it as a pull down resistor. Got it? Okay. So our objective. So today's our objective of program is, okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to press this button. Okay. I will show you the simulation part. Simulation part. Okay. I started simulating. Initializing. Now initialize. Okay. So okay. So you can see that when I press it, it's high and it goes off. Okay. So it is working as same as we are doing in the circuit. Okay, but it's taking a little bit time because reading first we get a reading in pin number 11. Okay, the pin number 11 is high and the Arduino sense is high, and it send a signal from pin to pin number 4. That pin number 4, please make the LED on. Okay, so we'll make a new circuit for it. This is mistake for this is only for your understanding. Okay, do you want to make a new circuit or this is okay with you? You can understand why. Hello, guys, it's, someone tell me, you want that I make a new circuit or it is okay for you? A bit fast. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, the thing is that we are doing the same. Okay, we are using the previous circuit. Okay, in that we don't have Arduino, or this time we are using Arduino. We are controlling the LED bulb with the Arduino, and we are taking input. Till now, what we are doing, we are giving output. We are giving output from each pin. We are telling Arduino that please make it high, make it low, make it high, make it low. Now this time we are saying that please note down that it is high or not. When getting a current is high, when it starts blinking. Okay. Hello. Guys, are you getting? My voice is coming or